Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Joltekon VP30 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product, the Jump Starter Power Pack has 4,500 ampere enforced start function as a dual safeguard, can instantly start the most stranded vehicles, including completely drained or low-voltage batteries, even at minus 20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. This 12-volt jump box highlights highly integrated advanced functions, but is more portable, transcending a general battery booster. It's a portable car jump starter, tire pump, pressure gauge, portable power bank, flashlight SOS signal, white strobe, red strobe as triangle warning light. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Joltekon VP30 battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, product description, air pressure reduction button, LED light button, power button, air pressure increase button, inflation mode switch button, inflation button, pressure unit switch button, LCD display, jump start port, air hose interface, USB output, USB Type-C input, LED light, silicone handle. How to use. Fully insert the smart battery clamps into the jump starter's 12-volt port. Connect the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and remove the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. To charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.